In China, there are so many types of sticky rice dishes, most of them sweet. I've made some videos about those before, but today I'm going to show you a savory sticky rice dumpling recipe. We call them yerba, a famous snack from my hometown. People often eat them for breakfast. One bite in, and you will get that soft, chewy texture on the outside with a rich, savory feeling inside. You will understand why people love them so much. Let's get started. We need ground pork, minced ginger, sugar, soy sauce, and today I'm using Yibin Yacai, a preserved vegetable from Sichuan, China. If you don't have Yibin Yacai, you can also use the white part of green onions. It works well too. We will also need rice flour and glutinous rice flour. Heat some oil in a pan and stir fry the ground pork until most of the moisture evaporates. Then add the ginger and Yibin Yacai. After it becomes fragrant, add sugar and soy sauce. Mix well. It smells amazing. You can also serve this with rice. Cover it and freeze for about 30 minutes. This will make it easier to wrap later. Time to make the dough. Combine the rice flour, then slowly add water and knead it into a dough. If you use only glutinous rice flour, the dumplings will be too soft and collapse after steaming. In my hometown, we use pomelo leaves for the wrappers, but they're hard to find here in Canada, so I'm using corn husks instead. Cut them in half and brush a little oil on them so the dough doesn't stick. Now let's wrap them. This is easier than making baozi because we skip the whole fermentation process. The shape and size don't really matter. Just make sure you wrap the filling inside. Bring some water to a boil, then steam the dumplings over medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. And that's it. These dumplings are easy to make, but so flavorful. Soft, chewy, and packed with savory goodness. Definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.